Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Tricia, and in today's video we're heading back to the thrift store. And if you've been around for a while, you know that I go to a particular thrift store here in South Florida, and I recently shared a new one that opened up earlier this year. Today's video we're hitting up both stores, and I have a beautiful vintage haul to share with you all, so stick around to the end and let's get going. One thing you can always count on finding at the thrift store are a selection of vases. So many different colors and styles. This little one here, I love the shape on the top and the little gold trimming. It was $7.99, and I think that blue color might have been 50% off that day. This could have been $4 if I decided on taking it. These two here looked very much like Hagar vases, so I was checking the bottom to see if it was branded, but there were no markings. The selection of glass and crystal is always so extensive and so beautiful, so many to choose from. I loved the shape of this one, loved that silver casing around it. That was so unique. $7.99. I should have grabbed this one, but I didn't. This one, however, was the find of the day. Look at all that beautiful carving. I am not sure what the material was made of, but this thing was gorgeous.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
I'm always intrigued by these little trinket boxes. Look at these silver ones with the roses on it. So much beautiful detail, and I can't help but think of all the jewelry and little trinket items it's probably held over the years.
You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Ordering a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Textiles, blankets, pillows are always so plentiful at the thrift store. But honestly, you have good days and bad days. Some days there are not so many good choices, and other days there are many choices. Look at this pair of little vintage styled pillows. I love the detail around the side. Such a quaint look and feel to it. Absolutely loved those. And this Ralph Lauren pillow set was in great condition. This was a great find. If this was in the right colors, I would have grabbed this, but I don't think my son would have gone for the pink. I don't know if you would remember some time ago when I found a lot of these crochet and knit type throws. I hadn't been seeing any at all, and I saw quite a bit on this particular day. There was this black one, and then this light color with the blue stripe was pretty. I could see this in the right space. This one was also quite interesting. I think if these are your team colors, this could be great in a games room. This antique wash basin set was so adorable. It was priced at $60. It could be French or Victorian. All these floral dishes are so perfect for this time of year. They're not only useful, but they make great decorative items as well. This little white tray was in my cart. So simple, so elegant. I'm not sure why I eventually did put it back. It was priced at $5. This would have been perfect, not just for serving hors d'oeuvres, but decorative items on the dining table or on the buffet. And speaking of florals, this little wreath was so adorable. It looked like someone made these individual flowers and added them to a dry wreath. It was so pretty. I think it was priced at $8.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes? Until winter comes? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
Well, I certainly hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me. Let's get into the haul. The first item is this little tray or riser. It is so beautiful. It has this mirror on the top. It does have some weight because I think this mirror is quite thick, and this very ornate brass detail around the side. It also has 3 little legs on the bottom there, but it is so absolutely gorgeous. Love the patina on it. I've seen this used mainly like in a bathroom, like on the vanity. I love using rounded items on either the coffee table or the dining table because you can appreciate the beauty of it at any angle, and wherever you're sitting at your dining table, you can appreciate the beauty of something like this. I'm going to put the prices of everything on the screen because most of this I cleaned up already, and once I clean up, the prices tend to come right off. So Next item is this little miniature lantern with the brass bottom. This thing is so cute. The glass has some leaf etching on both sides, and the brass on the bottom has this sort of a scalloped detailing, almost leafy detailing on the bottom as well. I love the juxtaposition of different elements on a piece, like glass with brass, or brass with copper, or brass with wood. I think combining different elements makes the piece so much more interesting and definitely beautiful. I not only got this little one, but I also got a bigger one, which is this one. So this doesn't have any etching on the glass. So this is clear glass, but of course a much taller piece. This brass is not as dark as that one is. It's a little bit brighter, but it does have quite a bit of patina on it. I think these can really be stunning together. I figured I'm all the way into the brass. I may as well show you the other couple of brass items. I got this entire bag of brass napkin holders for $3.99. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, so 12. There are 12 in the bag and they are gorgeous. Some are a lot more patina than others. It has a little like detailing on each side. If you didn't see last week's video, I started listing some of my items over on Instagram so that you guys get the opportunity to purchase anything that you see on there that you're interested in. Some of them I'm making available. If you purchase it, I hope it's a blessing to you. If not, they remain with me and I continue to decorate with them. Isn't this so gorgeous? Very patinaed. It is just so beautiful. I love the shape. I love everything about it. It's like a hammered copper around the bottom there, and it has this beautiful shape on the handle, beautiful little spout on the end there. I paid $4.99 for this. So cute and adorable. I have a couple of pieces of art to show you guys. I'm gonna start with the biggest one. This is an original canvas style oil painting. The colors are really nice and vibrant and very earthy. Love this natural scenery here. It looks like fall. It was painted by B.O.S. McKay 72. So this is a little over 50 years old. The painting is beautiful. The frame is also gorgeous. This is like an off-white beige colored linen on the inside here, and this is wood. So the wood is carved with that beautiful detailing. Very, very gorgeous. It says autumn fruits on the back, but obviously this does not have any fruits on it. It is a beautiful autumn scenery. I don't know if they mean autumn fruits because there's possibly fruits on those trees, but it's beautiful anyway. Oh, the name is on the back. Mrs. Betty McKay, New Jersey. It has her address. Full address, New Jersey 07083. That's the zip code. So probably that's the artist who lives in New Jersey. So if you're familiar with that person, this is truly a beautiful, beautiful piece of art. I think this can fit into any space. Okay, the next one, which I also thought was so beautiful. This is a textured print. Definitely a vintage piece of art. I'm not too liking this bright green around here, but I do love the gold color and the details on the inset there. So this inside here has like some little line detailing and then the straight part on the outside, but the picture is beautiful. Okay, and then the next one is this guy here. So I think this is a Michelangelo painting. It's done in black and white. I paid $5.99 for this, and it also has a really nice wooden frame, very simple framing, but that picture is everything. This is like a, this is not glass, it's like a plexiglass, so it's very lightweight. This covering on the top here, which obviously can be removed and it can be replaced with plain glass if you like, or not replaced at all. You can just have the picture in the frame. But this is so gorgeous. These black and white frames are great for styling, like a gallery wall or just putting anywhere. It'll fit into any decor style. I also got this little one here, which the frame has some damage to the top here. I don't know if someone screwed something in. Oh, you know what? It may have had one of those hooks on there, the little round, you know, some of the old art has like a little round thing that it's hanging from. I don't know what it's called, but there's a hole in there, so it may have been that. It does have wire on the back, so it can be hung that way as well. And also the print has a little bit of damage here, which actually happened from the price tag that was on it. Most of the items, like I said, I cleaned it up, so I carefully took the price tag off of it and it still came off. So I wish these thrift stores will stop putting that sticky stuff on the actual painting. It could be put on the back. They could even mark it with a pen on the back so it doesn't come off. But that did do some damage to this one. But I love it anyway. I love the little, the picture that's in there, and I love the frame. Again, this has that sort of a linen texture here with the gold. I think I'm gonna put a little round thingy on the top there and make the best of this one. I also got this little lady here. It has the look of brass, although I don't think that it is brass. I think this, it's very lightweight, so this is why I don't think it's brass. I think it's wood, and it was painted in that nice brass color, so it really, really is beautiful. It has this part on the back so you can use it on a shelf. It also has a little ring so you can hang it. I would say it's about 6 by 5. It's pretty small, and this is an original painting that's in there. I don't know who she is, but the artist did sign their name on there, which I can't really figure out right now. And I'll probably make her available on Instagram. So if you're interested, make sure you follow me over on Instagram so you can get her before anyone else takes her. This is definitely so adorable. And the last item is this little pair of marble candle holders. It is like a deep green and really, really gorgeous in person. It doesn't have any markings on the bottom, but they are gorgeous. Next is this little vintage musical trinket or jewelry box. It does work, so it has a little winder on the bottom. I guess it doesn't work. It works in the store. Okay, what happened? Because you worked. You worked before. Oh, it's working. I don't know what happened, but it worked. Okay, it kind of works, but in any event, whether the music works or not, it is a beautiful box. I love the picture on the top there with the little girl. She is reading. It does have some beautiful detailing on the sides of the picture. Very, very beautiful. It has like a brushed gold color around the entire thing, and the music is playing, guys. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to do all the things, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.